In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import accounts into GnuCash, a popular accounting software. This is an essential task for those of you looking to manage and track your financial data with ease. Whether you're transitioning from another software or just getting started, these instructions will help you along the way. Let's start by opening up GnuCash. Make sure you have version 4.4 installed, as this is the version we're focusing on today. Once you've launched the program, you'll be greeted by the main interface, which is the hub of all your financial dealings. The first thing you need to do is navigate over to the File option in the top menu. Move your cursor to Import. This is your gateway to bringing external data into GnuCash, helping you synchronize what you have and where you're headed. The next step is to choose the type of import you need. In the drop-down menu that appears after clicking Import, you'll see several options. Look for import accounts from CSV, or if you're transitioning from software like Quicken, you might want to select the QIF option. This allows GnuCash to understand and correctly map the data you're bringing in, ensuring the process is straightforward and without errors. After selecting your import type, the next step is to choose the file you want to import. A window will open, prompting you to locate the file on your computer. Here is where your data is stored, waiting to be organized within GnuCash. Browse your directories to find your CSV or QIF file. Take your time during this step to ensure you're selecting the correct file, one that contains the data you wish to incorporate. You might also want to take this opportunity to double-check the file to make sure it's up to date and formatted correctly. This video aimed to take you smoothly through importing accounts into GnuCash, enhancing your financial management capabilities by integrating external data sources. Congratulations on stepping into the world of organized finances. Importing your accounts into GnuCash is a great way to stay on top of your fiscal responsibilities. As always, for any help, refer to GnuCash's comprehensive documentation or FAQ section online. Don't hesitate to leave your comments or thoughts. Thanks for watching, and happy accounting!